After a series of flight delays, work issues, and changes to my itinerary, I went from having a weekend away in Nashville to 14 hours in the city. Was I going to be able to do enough things to say that I actually got the full Nashville experience? Let's see. To get the real Nashville experience, look no further than their barbecue. I met up with Laura's brother, who actually lives in Nashville, and we headed to Martin's, where the live music gives exactly the atmosphere we were looking for. The well-labeled menus made this an easy place to find out what items were safe for me with my gluten-free and dairy-free diet. I don't know if I've ever seen a menu with this much detailed allergen information. The food totally hit the spot, and the only way to improve on the night was a hockey game, with my New York Islanders playing the Nashville Predators at Bridgestone Arena. But with such a short visit, I was glad that my hotel had some true Nashville flavor as well. It was the Holston House, which is part of the Unbound Collection, which is a Hyatt property, and it celebrates the local culture while being walking distance from the arena. It had this cool vintage modern decor that was really impressive. The next morning I had an incredibly early day, so I needed a breakfast place that opened early and had gluten-free options. Milk and Honey opens every day at 6 a.m. and did a great job with a charming setting and a helpful staff that helped me order coffee, toast, and shakshuka before heading back to the airport to catch my flight home. The menu had a lot of options that would have worked really well for someone with only one dietary restriction. Having two proved to be a little trickier, but I still managed to find something that worked. And I wasn't the only person there, which was a little bit of a shock considering it was 6 a.m. on a Sunday of a holiday weekend. So while the Islanders did not win that game, they actually lost with only 7 seconds left to go in the game. This trip was still worth taking so that I could experience just a little bit of Nashville. Next time, I'll show you around the Nashville Delta Sky Club. See you then, travelers.